NYSSBA News is supported by the New York School's Insurance Reciprocal. Preparing a home-cooked meal for 30 people can be challenging, but not for the students enrolled in the Life and Core Culinary program at Putnam Northern Westchester BOCES. Here, special needs students are chopping, slicing, and dicing their way into a future career in cooking. They learn the basics in culinary education and current trends, including farm-to-table practices. The classes take place at the Tilly Foster Farm Institute, an historic farm turned culinary school in the Hudson Valley.
A student comes to me, I see the potential in them. And when that potential comes out, when they're working a restaurant and they're doing a live service like this, it reaffirms why I'm here and why I'm teaching.
Partnerships between the BOCES and local businesses place graduating students into hospitality careers.
It's incredible to work with these kids. Each one has a different skill set, and trying to help them find what's right for them is personally extremely rewarding.
Ace Indico, a regional food distributor, has also gotten involved with the program. The corporate chef for Ace Indico spends time giving advice to the students.
Cook like you're cooking for your family. You know, something that don't serve anything that you wouldn't consume yourself.
Students looking to move into the working world say they're prepared to begin a career in the culinary field.
It gives me an opportunity to cook more often. It's a dream of mine to open a restaurant, and I'm no joke.
The BOCES staffs gain a sense of fulfillment in working with the students. Reporting for NYSSBA News, I'm Casey Nicholson.